marathon, a journey that we're always on. To the floor, hit the road, see everything under the sun. Whoa. Keep on running, pick up the pace, won't come naturally. Gotta keep on running, hard work pays eventually. Keep up the pace. Take a moment to cool down, then get back on your feet. Gotta keep on running, heading towards your dreams. Everybody keep running. Everybody keep running, 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 running.
Hey guys, so I am just outside of Maison Margiela. Look how beautiful the building is. And let's head in and I'm gonna share the store with you. And look at mannequins. I love this little corset detailing over here. This really nice bag, the dress, the headpiece. And then they have one of their famous bags over here. And then this gorgeous jacket. And they've got the tabby boots over there. Okay, unfortunately, there's these flashing lights here. Only it works when I go super close, but we're gonna do a little close-up of the shoes. So sorry about the flashing lights. Let me see if I can take it out. There we go, it's a little bit better. The way they've made this store is amazing. There's these little slingbacks over here. Again, not my style, but when I see them on other people wearing a really cool outfit, I just think it's amazing. I love their gloves. These blue ones are beautiful. This is such a neat bag over here. There's this amazing trench coat over here. These red corduroy pants. And then check out, I love these bags. They're so neat. These boots, I love it in this color. This bag's amazing. One of my favorite designs that is out right now. Such a statement, especially when you see people out wearing that bag. And then they also have a little clutch up here. This amazing blazer. This one, I love the little details on it. Such a neat piece. They've got these small leather goods here. These little in-use bags with the canvas on the other side. These bucket bags. And I think that is gonna wrap it up for Margiela. Such an amazing spot here in Italy. So when you come in, there's this amazing piece over here. Look at this bag. It's in patent, and it has these little cutouts over here. So unique. And just before I leave, another cute little detail. It has all the little tabby Margiela footprints. I just love unique fashion houses like this. As you can see, it's getting a little bit dark, but I'm gonna take you guys to the next store in Italy. We are inside Versace, and they have so many of their shoes over here. Love these with the ankle strap, they're so nice. And then look at the heel on these ones, so cool. And then this one has the big chunky hardware in gold. They have lots of scarves. These are very cool over here. These little platform ones. Love the buckle detail on those. And then these boots over here. And check out these boots over here. This clutch is amazing. This is such a cool piece over here. There's this other gorgeous red bag. Here's that clutch again in black. This beautiful turquoise blue color. Another clutch. Let me pick this up. Such a nice piece. Very modern, yet classic at the same time. It won't fit much, but you know, it'll fit all your essentials. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I love that. Gorgeous. They're so nice here. Really cool. You see, Versace smart. They know that it's okay to film, unlike other stores. I love that. This other girl was making a little video in here. I understand you don't want too much of it because obviously you don't want it to be a circus in here with everyone doing that, but a little bit of video is fine, you know? And then I'm just gonna show you quickly the jewelry. This is beautiful. These big pearl earrings, very statement. And then check out this gorgeous ready-to-wear. This beautiful clutch. This belt is beautiful, and I love the cargos. This is like a corset detailing almost. And then look at this beautiful bomber jacket. Very cool. It has little slits to put your arms out. And I think, let me just show you this. I'm going to wrap it up for Versace. But I'm so glad I came in here. This choker is beautiful. So we're at Van Cleef, and look at their beautiful display. They've got the black ones and the silver, well, white gold with diamonds. So sparkly. And then over here we've got this gorgeous bracelet. Over here's another window display of Chanel, and love this entire outfit with the blazer, this gorgeous dress, this bag with the curb chain, and then look at that little birdhouse. That is so pretty, and the little belt with the chain. Such a great look from Chanel. So we are inside this beautiful store, and it's Roger Vivier, of course, and I can't wait to show you the boutique because it's so beautiful. Roger Vivier makes incredible shoes. They also have some great accessories as well. Look at these boots with the patent leather, their signature buckle. Beautiful. They have some great evening bags. You can wear them anytime, but I think they're meant to be kind of an evening bag, the sparkle ones. Very unique. These ones over here with the crystals, they're kind of like a sock boot style. Really pretty, but these are definitely my favorite. These are so elegant, and love the patent on those. And then look at this beautiful piece. This isn't for sale, but look at that. Very special. Looks like that little swan almost. Beautiful. This bag over here is really unique. It's got the R on this side and a V on the other side for Roger Vivier. There's this great shoe over here. Beautiful. I'm gonna take you upstairs. So there's 3 levels in this boutique. The suede booty is so nice. They've got their classic belly flats. Love the red. And this style, definitely I prefer it over the ballet flat. I just think it looks so good on the foot. More elongating than a ballet flat, which sometimes can kind of cut your leg off. Not everybody, but some people at least. Me. And then upstairs, they've got these beautiful crystal shoes over here. There's these great mules over here with their pearl detail. And I think that is gonna wrap it up for Roger Vivier. I'll show you this little beautiful pearl satin clutch in blue. And that is gonna wrap it up for Roger Vivier. Every single time I say that, I see another shoe. Okay, we're not wrapping up yet. We're almost gonna wrap up. This is really neat with that heel detail in purple. This has this beautiful iridescence with the green heel. This bag is amazing in orange. Wow, check that out. It's in this crushed velvet. Beautiful. Okay, now we wrap it up. There's also another floor. There's sneakers up there, more wintry boots. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel as it really helps me out so much. I have so much more Milan content coming, and I will see you guys in the next video.